Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website newartmix.com. I'm on a home page, and I really love that you are showing your art pieces in the sliding images. They are linked to the specific products, which is fantastic. They are nicely optimized with taglines as well. A very creative title, so that's really nice. The logo is great. Find your dream wall art here. I would optimize this tagline a little bit better because this promo banner is displayed on every page. So you can use this space to tell about your offer, for example, free shipping or worldwide delivery. So something that really prompt people to take action and buy. This will further improve your conversion rate. I love the user-friendly top navigations as well, featured collections with SEO-friendly title. This is really good. I love the different styles of the images so everyone can find what they like. Don't miss these as well. Okay, so what you're offering, quality. I would make these tags because this is text within the image. I would put them as the text as a title below the image because it's a little bit difficult to read, especially for those visually impaired. It can knock off some of the SEO points for you, and the text within the image is non-accessible for by Google posts. So make sure to add the text as a content and as titles, not within the image. Okay, so you talk about your technique of creating the print so that adds value and explains about the additional benefits of your product. So this is really good. Okay, how to fix the art on the wall. So this is really useful as well. Okay. Again, these are images, so this is not text. Think about how to optimize them to display these reviews as a text. Also, the I would put the text in the footer area, especially email address is difficult to read. I would put the text as default text about one or two sizes, a little bit bigger. It will make your website much more user friendly and accessible. Okay, so think about organizing your content a little bit better so there's no empty collection, so there's no collection with only one or two items. So you can perhaps remove empty collections from the menu so people don't keep clicking. But this is quite nice selection. And because your images are so busy, I would display them at 3 items per row instead of 5. It will create this kind of premium browsing experience, which will definitely suit your branding, suit your premium products. I like the layout of the product page. So add to cart is above default. I love the color of the button, so it suits your website theme. I like that you've got different, for example, 2 or 4 panels or just one panel, a different size as well. Uh, okay. So description is here. More details to click on. Extra images. Okay, so think about how people can choose different colors because you showed 3 different colors. However, people are not able to pick the color they want. So it's a little bit confusing whether it's a pink as the default or whether the blue one is as a separate product. If that's the case, don't include pictures of the blue one here because it can add just confusion for people who won't be sure which color exactly they're ordering by ordering this particular item. You've got related products here, which is excellent. Remember to open the social media links in new tabs, otherwise you will be losing valuable traffic from your own website. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And if you would like more information about anything mentioned in this critique, please book a free chat with our Shopify expert and we'll be happy to answer any of the questions. The details are in the email as well. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.